Imagine holding the future of filmmaking in the palm of your hand. A device so small, so powerful, and so advanced that it makes everything else currently in your bag feel like a relic from the past. We are living in a golden age of content creation, but there is one question currently burning through the tech world, keeping enthusiasts awake at night and forcing competitors to scramble for cover. What is DJI actually hiding behind the curtain with the upcoming, heavily anticipated, and potentially world-shifting DJI Osmo Action 7? If you have been waiting for the moment when a compact action camera finally shatters the barrier between good enough for social media and cinematic enough for the silver screen, you are in exactly the right place, because today we are tearing down the silence surrounding the most talked-about gadget of 2026. Welcome back to my channel for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. We are diving deep into the DNA of the DJI Osmo Action 7, analyzing every leak, every whisper from the supply chain, and every strategic move DJI has made to ensure this camera doesn't just compete, it dominates. When we talk about the DJI Osmo Action 7, we aren't just talking about another iterative update with a slightly better sensor. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we perceive action cam capabilities. The tech community is buzzing with reports that this successor to the already impressive Osmo Action 6 is being engineered to solve the holy grail problems of the niche: battery efficiency that defies physics, low-light performance that mimics professional full-frame setups, and an AI-driven stabilization suite that promises to make heavy-duty gimbals look like obsolete paperweights. But here's the catch that the headlines aren't telling you. The road to this release is paved with uncertainty, especially for those of us here in the United States, as the geopolitical landscape surrounding DJI complicates how and when you might actually get your hands on this beast. Why is the DJI Osmo Action 7 being treated with such reverence by insiders? It comes down to a simple philosophy. DJI is no longer playing catch-up with GoPro or Insta360. They're setting the pace. Rumors are pointing toward a massive 1/1.1-inch sensor upgrade, which, if true, would be a monumental leap forward, allowing for depth and dynamic range that most users simply haven't experienced in a camera of this footprint. Imagine shooting in 8K at 60 frames per second while maintaining that signature DJI color science that makes your footage pop straight out of the camera. The internal chatter suggests that the DJI Osmo Action 7 is also focusing heavily on the prosumer market, integrating features that were previously reserved for high-end cinema cameras, such as a more granular variable aperture and advanced AI noise reduction that cleans up your night shots in real time. This isn't just a camera for extreme sports enthusiasts anymore. It is a tool for professional filmmakers, documentary creators, and anyone who demands perfection in a frame. Let's talk about the price, because that is where the reality of the market clashes with the ambition of the engineers. If you look at the current trajectory of the DJI Osmo Action 6, the price point for the flagship has sat comfortably in that sweet spot for creators, but the DJI Osmo Action 7 is rumored to be positioned differently. Early estimates suggest a starting price for the standard combo between $349 and $429, which is a strategic move to keep it competitive against the upcoming Hero 14 Black from GoPro. However, the Adventure Combo, which is what most serious creators will actually want, could climb as high as $579. Is it worth that premium? When you factor in the potential for an internal storage boost, the legendary cold-resistant battery architecture that DJI has been perfecting, and the rumored inclusion of more advanced peripheral connectivity like the Osmo audio system, it becomes clear that DJI is banking on the idea that creators are willing to pay for a buy-it-once and use-it-for-years solution. The elephant in the room, of course, is availability. The U.S. market is in a complex relationship with DJI right now. With the FCC's evolving stance on foreign-produced technology, the logistics of a new launch like the DJI Osmo Action 7 aren't as straightforward as they were 2 years ago. We are seeing a pattern where certain models face hurdles, and while the Action series is categorized differently than drone hardware, the friction is real. This makes the DJI Osmo Action 7 not just a gadget, but a strategic test for how DJI handles international regulatory pressure. If you're in the US, you might be asking yourself if you should wait for the official release or if you should solidify your setup with the current generation. The truth is, the gap between the Action 6 and what we expect from the 7 is wide enough that the wait might feel like an eternity, but the rewards, if the leaks are even half accurate, will be worth every second of that frustration. Think about the way you shoot right now. Think about the limitations you face when the sun goes down, or when you're trying to capture that perfect, high-speed movement without getting that jittery digital look that ruins a professional edit. The DJI Osmo Action 7 is being whispered about in development circles as the rocksteady 4.0 platform. This isn't just about stabilization. It is about predictive motion analysis. The chipsets rumored to be inside this device are allegedly capable of processing light and motion data faster than the eye can see, meaning your footage will look like it's floating, even if you're jumping off a cliff or mountain biking down a jagged trail. This is the level of engineering that makes the DJI Osmo Action 7 the most anticipated piece of hardware in 2026. Every frame you capture with the current generation is a test, but the upcoming 7 is rumored to be the final exam, the point where the hardware finally stops being the bottleneck for your creativity. As we move toward the likely late 2026 launch window, the hype will only intensify. We are expecting a reveal in October or November, perfectly timed for the holiday shopping season. DJI has a history of these late-year drops, and they know exactly how to manipulate the marketing cycle to ensure that the DJI Osmo Action 7 is the only thing on every creator's wishlist. They know that by showing off the raw 8K capability and the upgraded thermal management system, they can capture the attention of the tech-savvy audience. And that is exactly who this is for. The people who understand that a camera isn't just a lens and a sensor. It's a bridge between a moment in time and a piece of visual art that lasts forever. You are the audience that understands that the DJI Osmo Action 7 isn't just a product launch. It's a statement about what is possible when you stop compromising on size and start demanding uncompromising quality. As we dissect the rumors, it is vital to keep a grounded perspective. While the 8K per 60 frames per second prospect is tantalizing, remember that the true strength of a device like the DJI Osmo Action 7 lies in its ecosystem. It is the integration with a magnetic mounting system, the compatibility with the full suite of existing accessories, and the way it works within the broader DJI software environment. That is why so many of us are locked into this brand. We aren't just buying a camera. We are investing in a seamless workflow. When you hear people talk about the DJI Osmo Action 7, look past the specs. Look at the promise of reliability. Look at the promise of a tool that doesn't overheat, doesn't crash, and doesn't quit when the environment gets hostile. That is the soul of the Action series, and it is the bar that the 7 must clear if it wants to cement its place in history.